I tell you this. If you hear the story, you'll be amazed. Dia ni kata, dia kena lymphoma, pergi buat kemo, 1 tahun datang kembali kambuh. Dan lepas itu batuk. Apa dia kata? Batuk 1 tahun masuk hospital tak boleh buat apa-apa. Dia pergi ronson, tak jadi. Dia jumpa saya di Pulau Pinang, minum herba 4 hari, hilang semua, dia kata. To be true, you know. To be true. If you got to listen to the video, you'll see that it's surprising.
Batuk 1 tahun. Saya minum obat ini 4 hari. Sekarang nggak batuk lagi.
Tapi
Berapa lama batuk?
1 tahun.
1 tahun batuk.
3 kali ronsen.
Batuk.
Terus.
1 tahun.
Iya.
3 kali ronsen.
Sudah jumpa dokter?
Sudah. Ronsen dari mana? Lamuain ronsen juga.
Di hospital di Indonesia pun ronsen. Mereka bagi obat.
Lagi obat, terus lagi.
Sembuh. Jumpa saya, minum obat berapa hari? 4 hari. Hilang. Syukur Tuhan.
I gave a lecture in Singapore General Hospital. So I say I have my cough mixture, I call it number 1, number 2, number 3. Everybody laugh. Wow, this is number 1, number 2. Yes, true. I just label the cough herbs that we make. We have got 7 types. I just call number 1, number 2, number 3. Cannot be Cristio 1, Cristio 2. No need, just call 1, 2, 3 saja. So number 1 adalah kalau kamu batuk, is very itchy. You ask my son, took one nanti daddy, half an hour hilang. Cough. Your cough is triggered by itchiness in the throat. The cough number 1, sorry, not cough number 1. This cough number 11, itchy throat, gone. If you cough with blood, you take number 1. If you cough with phlegm which is yellow, you take number 3. If you cough, the phlegm is white, you take number 5. And we are old people, you cough like sabun-sabun keluar, no foam like that, take number 6. Lepas itu kalau cough, tidak ada apa-apa, number 10. Kalau cough lekat di sini tak keluar, you take number 12. You take 1 time, the phlegm come back, settle the problem. So you see, if you work like that, you can do a lot of things. Kalau bagi kode saja sekali, cough syrup saja, jadi cannot, it won't work that way. Okay. Okay.
No sampel.
Nantilah dulu. Ini bukan propaganda nih, nantilah dulu. Oke.